In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a file from Gmail on your mobile device. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is straightforward and can be done in a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure that you have the Gmail app installed on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, or the App Store if you're on an iPhone, and download the Gmail app. If the app is already installed, ensure it's updated to the latest version to enjoy all the new features and security updates. Once you have the app ready, open it and sign in using your Gmail account credentials if you're not already signed in. Now you're all set to access your emails. To download an attachment, locate the email with the file you want to save. In your inbox, you'll notice that emails containing attachments are marked with a little paperclip icon. This makes it easier to identify which messages contain the files you're looking for. Open the email to view its content. When the email is open, scroll down to the bottom where the attachments are typically displayed. Here you should see the file clearly showing its name, size, and type. This could be anything from a PDF, a Word document, an image file like JPG, or even a compressed file like a zip. Next, to download the file, simply tap on the download icon, which looks like a downward-facing arrow located next to the attachment. Depending on the file type and size, the download might take a few seconds. Once the file is downloaded, it will be saved directly onto your phone. Now let's access the file. If you're using an Android device, the downloaded file will automatically go to your Downloads folder, which you can find using the Files app or the My Files app depending on your phone model. On an iPhone, the file will also be saved in the Downloads folder, which is accessible through the Files app. Keep in mind, if you open the file directly in another app, it might not be saved in the Downloads folder. And there you have it. That's all it takes to download a file from an email on Gmail using your mobile device. Remember, the key steps are ensuring your Gmail app is updated, identifying emails with attachments, and knowing where your downloads are stored on your specific device. Now you're ready to manage your email attachments with ease right from your smartphone. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or need additional help. Happy downloading.